Hello students, this is Pallav sir, and today I will explain question number 7 and 8 of exercise 15B RS Agarwal book and one more sum from exercise 15C, that is question number 3. Okay, now let's see what is there in question number 7. As you see in question number 7, they have given one figure. Now we have to find out ACD, which we have taken as X, this angle, ADC, which I have taken as Y, and DAE, which I have taken as Z. Fine. Now to get the value of Z, students, you need these two angles. So this angle is also unknown, so I have taken this angle as W, so that it would be easier for you to understand. Now let's start. So first of all, we'll find the value of this W. So in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degree. Now, why? Angle sum property. We have studied this. So, angle sum property. Now, in place of A, we will write W so that you can correlate this letters with the angle with the figure. Now, B is 40 degree and C is 100 degree. That would be equals to 180 degree. Now, add this two. So, W plus 140 degree equals to 180 degree. Now, we will transpose this 140 degree towards this side. Now, in this way, we will get the value of W. So, 180 degree minus 140 degree. So, value of W is 40 degree. Okay. Now, let us find out the value of X. Now, what is X? X is angle ACD, isn't it? So, what you have to do is X plus 100 degree, and that would be equals to 180 degree. And why we are saying this? Because they are linear pair. They are linear pair. Now, how to get the value of X? Obviously, we have to transpose this 100 towards right hand side. So, X would be equals to 180 degree minus 100 degree, and that would be equals to 80 degree. So, we are done with this part. Okay. Now, let us move on to ADC. Now, if you have to find ADC, that means we are talking about Y. Now, in this triangle, as you see, 50 is already given, X we have just found out now, and we will find now Y. So, we will use the angle sum property. So, in triangle ACD, isn't it? In triangle ACD, angle A plus angle C plus angle D is equals to 180 degree. Now, again we will use angle sum property. This is angle sum property. Yes, just a minute. Now, in place of A, we will put 50 degree because it is already given in the question. You see, it is already given here 50. Now, X, what is the value of X? 80 degree. Now, in place of C, we will put 80 degree and we have to find out D. So, D we have taken as Y. Okay, now let us add this to 50 plus 80, that would be 130 degree plus Y equals to 180 degree. Now, we will transpose this 130 degree towards 180 degree side. So, 180 degree minus 130 degree, and we will get the value of Y as 50 degree. So, we are done with this part also. Y is also done. Now, finally, we have to find out Z. Now, this is what we have to find out. Now, as you see, this whole angle, students, this whole angle is 180 degree because it is a straight angle. Now, this straight angle has been split into 3 angles. So, what we will write? W plus 50 plus Z. So, how we will write? W plus 50 plus Z, and this will give you equals to 180 degree. And why we are writing this statement? Because this all angles combines to form a straight angle, isn't it? Now, in place of W, what we will write? What is the value of W? 40 degree. So, we will write 40 degree plus 50 degree, and we have to find the value of Z. Now, we will add this to 40 plus 50 is 90 degree plus Z is equals to 180 degree. Now, Z is equals to 180 degree minus 90 degree, and in this way you get the value of Z as 90 degree. So, this is the solution of question number 7 of exercise 15b. Now let's move on to the next question. Yes, now this is question number 8, students, of exercise 15b of R.S. Agarwal. Now this figure is given in the question. Now x, y and z is given, the exterior angle 130 is also given, and the ratio of x and y is also given. These are all the things which are already given in the question. So what you have to find out? You have to find out x, y and z. Now as you see, the two angles are all is given in the ratio form. So the first thing you have to do is, students, so let the value of x and y be 2a and 3b. Now we will not take 2x and 3x. Why? Because x is already given here, so it will create a confusion. So to avoid this, we have taken some different letters. Now we will find out z first. Okay, so what is the combination of these two angles? So the relation between these two angles is z plus 130 degree, that is equals to 180 degree. And what is the relation? They are the linear pairs. They are the linear pairs. Fine. Now z would be equals to what? We will transpose this 130 degree towards this side. So 130 degree, 180 degree minus 130 degree, and that would be 50 degree. So now we are quite aware of the value of z. Now we will use the angle sum property to get the value of x and y. Now let's do it. Now in triangle ABC, x plus y plus z is equals to 180 degree, and y we have to give the reason, students, angle sum property. So angle sum property. Now what is the value of x we have taken? The value of x is taken as 2a and y is taken as 2b, isn't it? So in place of y we will put 2a, and in place of y we will put 3a, plus z is what? What is the value of z? Z is 50 degrees. So we will put 50 degree in place of z, equals to 180 degree. Now we will transpose this 50 degree towards this side, and simultaneously we will solve this too also. So 2a plus 3a will give you 5a, and 180 degree minus 50 degree. So 5a would be equals to 180 degree minus 50 degree. That will give you 130 degree. Now to get the value of a, we have to transpose this 5 towards right hand side. So that would be 130 degree by 5. Now let us reduce this. So if you reduce it, so 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, and 5 6 are 30. So the value of a is 26. Now let's get the value of x. Now what is x? X is 2a. 2a means 2 into 26. That will give you 52 degree. And what is y? Y we have considered as 3a. So 3 into 26, that will give you 78 degree. Okay. So this is the solution of question number 8 of exercise 15b. Now let's move on to the next exercise, that is exercise 15c. Here we have. So this is the last question of today's session. So exercise 15c, R.S. Agarwal. So this is the figure we have given. It is given in the question. Now you have to fill the blanks, okay, or you can say fill in the blocks. Now which property you have to use to answer all those questions? That is, you can write sum of the two sides of any triangle is always, that is the sum of the two sides is always greater than the third side. Always remember this, and this is the property that will apply to fill all the box. Okay, now PA plus PB, you see, PA plus PB. So if we consider this triangle, students, then PA and PB would be greater than AB, isn't it? So we will give a greater than sign here. Now let's move on to the next one. So that is PB and PC. So that means they are talking about this triangle. So that means PA and PB is greater than what? BC. So again we will put a greater than sign. Now PA and PC, you see, where is PA and PC? That means PA and PC would be obviously greater than AC, but I am comparing AC with this, so I will write AC is less than PA and PC. Be careful. Okay, so we are comparing AC with this two. Okay, we are not comparing the sum of this two with this. We are comparing AC with the sum of this two. So obviously AC would be less than the sum of PA and PC. Okay, so I hope all of you have understood whatever the sums I have explained today. So that's it for today's session. Thank you all of you. God bless you and take care.